If your Shopify store feels slow, you are losing sales. Even if everything looks fine, in this video I will show you exactly how to speed up your Shopify store, what actually slow it down, and the real fixes that work, not the generic advice. I will walk you through the step by step from the theme and apps to images and the code. So by the end of this video, you will know what to fix first and what to ignore. So let's go to the next slide. And the first thing you have to do, you have to defer off screen images. What does that does mean? It means if you are on the Shopify store, but you are seeing only the area where the image is coming, but when you scroll down to the bottom images are not loaded. They will be loaded when you start scrolling to the screen. So we will defer off screen images, and how you can do that? You can add the lazy class to the image where image is being used as a background. So in this example, the image is being used in the background on this div hero banner. So we will add the lazy class to that div. And if you are using the image tag, then you can add the loading is equal to lazy, and that will defer the off-screen images. So in the next slide, I will show you the script which defer the off-screen images. Important, do not lazy load images that are above the fold. Hero images, logos only. Only lazy load images that user need to scroll to see. So we will not be adding lazy load. Those are the images above the fold. That means when you load your home page or whatever the page, you are improving the speed. So thus we will only deferring the images which are below the fold, not above the fold. Like on this page, this is my fold, and if I scroll down, the images came after the scroll down. We will be adding lazy load to those images. Okay, next, this is the lazy load script. And how does it work? On the load function, we have a variable lazy load, and this select all the lazy load classes, and then it add the JavaScript and make the images load whenever they are visible to the images. So this is the script. You can add that into the lazy.liquid snippet, and this script use the intersection observer modern browser to detect when the lazy load element entered in the viewport. For older browser, it falls back to scroll even the listener with throttling. When an image becomes visible, the lazy class is removed, also the background image to load. So this is the simple smart function, JavaScript function you need to add for the lazy loading. Next, find the dead resources. Before optimizing, the first check for 404 errors and dead script images using GTmetrix or Pingdom. Dead sources waste time and slow down your site. Remove or fix them immediately. So you can use this tool to find the dead link, 404 script images, dead CSS file, broken CDN links, and you need to fix them. You need to remove those dead link, or you need to add a proper link for the broken one. So you need to work on this as well. Next, very important, preload resources. These are we will add the preload to the CSS which are in our local files. For example, this is our local CSS and we will add the preload like this, and then we load it normally over here. Similarly, for the JavaScript, we will add the preload on the link, then we will load the JavaScript normally. So if you have any CSS like this, you will add the link first, then add the preload, and then the rel style sheet. And for the JavaScript, you will add the link, rel, preload, and then for the what is preload? Preload tells the browser to start downloading critical resources as soon as possible, even before they are referenced in the HTML. This reduces loading time by parallelizing downloads. And if you have some external links like this, then you will add the defer. What defer is? Defer attribute tell the browser to download the script in the background but not execute until after the HTML is fully parsed. This prevents the script from blocking the page render. So you can defer the script analytic, Google Analytics, chat, widget, marketing tool, Klaviyo, up to non-critical apps. Consider moving all the tracking script to the Google Tag Manager for easier management and better performance. So you can add the preload, you can add the defer. Next, pre-connect external links. So you need to pre-connect external link like Google Fonts, Shopify CDN. So what is pre-connect? Pre-connect tells the browser to establish early connection to important third-party origin. This complete DNS lookup, TCP handshake, and TSL negotiation before resources are requested can save 100 to 500 ms per connection. So how you can find them? Use the Google Chrome Dev tool, press F12 and Control Shift P on the Mac and Command Shift P on Mac and Control Shift P on Windows. Type coverage and select it. Click on the record and reload the page. Look for the external domains. So you will find something fonts for Google Fonts, GC Static, CDN, Shopify, Klaviyo, Beacetting, Google Analytics like this. And you can add the pre-connects like this, rel pre-connect to those links, and it will improve your Shopify speed. So by doing all these things, you will get the expected result to 2x faster, 90 plus page speed, and 25 plus more conversion. You will be adding lazy loading, pre-connect, defer, optimize images, fix CLS issue, pre-connect URL, test and verify, and remove the dead links. I hope this video gave some information to you to improve your Shopify speed. Please let me know if you have any question. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.